When you go into brand and you are wanting to either edit the brand kit or add a new brand, now everyone in your team has access to a brand kit, but you'll notice this message here: only admins and brand designers can make changes to this brand kit. You click on here and you don't see this plus sign for create a new brand kit. I'm going to show you how to check the permissions that people have to ensure that when you add people to your team and you want them to be able to edit the brand kit, that they can. If you go down to the bottom left hand corner and you click on your profile image, go to settings, and down the left hand side we're going to go to people. You will see that I've added another team member here. Now as a team member, Steve would not be able to edit a brand kit or add a new one. However, if I click on team member and I change him to a team brand designer, you'll see that it says can manage brand kits and brand templates, and I've now made him a team brand designer. This is the settings and permissions that you need to be able to go into brand, and when you click on this drop down menu and you go to the plus button, you'll now be able to add new brand and click create. I hope that helps. Any questions at all in Canva, please do comment below and let me know, and I will film a video reply for you.